California voted to create this proposition that said the gay people couldn't get married. That was their right to do so under California law. I mean, I don't think that majority voters should, impose doctrine on minority individuals, but that's the way California does it. They can amend the Constitution through the ballot box. So they did. How can the Supreme Court find the Constitution unconstitutional in California? I think where this battle needs to be won is in the legislatures. I think that states need to come forth and, make it law that marriage is okay between a man and a man, a woman and a woman, and eventually lead to, some sort of federal protection of marriage for all people. To be perfectly honest, I think that it's in a really good place right now, the gay rights movement. It's mind-boggling today to look back and think, I can't believe there were laws outlawing interracial marriage. And I think in 30, 40 years, we're going to be saying the exact same things. And that's just how things always work in history. And it's all about, educating people and showing them, exposing people to, gay people, and that we're not that scary. So, over time, things will get better. This is going to sound terrible. And God bless our older generation. Like, I love my grandparents, but we haven't told my grandparents that I'm gay, because I think it would just kill the two that remain. I don't know why, and you love them, and it's just that's the culture that they grew up in. Eventually, these people will die, and it's so sad to say, but eventually, the older generations move on. They go to wherever they go to when you die, and newer generations come up, and it's just a matter of time. I don't think there are any real barriers in the way. I mean, eventually these legal doctrines will fall, these laws will change, and people will get used to the fact. There's always going to be people that hate gay people, just like there's always going to be people that are discriminatory against African Americans or any minority group. Mm-hmm. And you're always going to have jokes, you're always going to have bad jokes, you're always going to have politically correct issues going on, but 30, 40 years is going to be a non-issue.
Okay.
You can mark my word, you can timestamp it on your phone and prove it to me, I'll prove you.